Hi boys and girls, today we're going to practice writing our spelling words inside of the flowers. So what is our goal this week for literacy? Our goal is to, say it with me, read and write short E words. So we're going to just practice our spelling words by writing them in the flower. Let's start in this flower. Let's write the word pen. P-E-N. Let's write it. Pen. Pen. If we do the little dots, that helps us remember how many sounds are going to go in that flower. Okay? The next word is web. W-E-B. W-E-B. Web. Our next word is 10. T-E-N. T-E-N. 10. Our next word is going to be vet. V-E-T. V-E-T. Vet. Next word, red. Er-ed. Er-ed. Red. Our next word is going to be bed. B-E-D. B-E-D. Bed. Next word, set. S-E-T. S-E-T. Set. Next word, let. O-E-T. O-E-T. Let. Our next word is going to be hen. H-E-N. H-E-N. And our last word is meg. M-E-G. M-E-G. Very good, boys and girls. Please make sure your name is at the top. Put it in the turn-in basket and get started on Lexia.